Next, we will see how actually we can access the element of a matrix. So when we have m cross uh, n matrix, and like if you, for instance, like if you have like this 1, 2, 4, and here always the index will start from 1 comma 1, right? So it's not 0. That we have to remember in the matrix always uh, positive index greater than 0 only allowed. If you want to access this particular element, this will be like 2 comma 2, and this is 2 comma 1, right? So in this way, like by specifying which row, which column, we can access that particular index. Okay, this is a of m comma. This is like, and one more thing you should remember, this like in the vectors also I told, this always should be round bracket. So while creating a matrix, we will use square bracket. While accessing, we'll use round bracket. So if I want to access kth column, for in this example it's a second column entirely, then I have to mention which column I need to access and put colon in the row position. And if I want to access entire row, for first row, then I have to put first row comma entirely everything I want to access. A of 1 comma colon. In this way I can access rows or columns entirely. This is also very important property. So in previously, while explaining the row, I was giving you example of image, right? So if you want to, like I was saying, like this spatial image, I may have to convert into time series data. Especially, it's important in convolutional neural networks. So what I have to do, I need to access A of first row entirely. I will access. If I want to convert into time series data, again A of 2 comma entire, so on. So that I can put it maybe like in for loop and I can access everything, and like I can make it as a time series data. This is how actually we can use this logic. We'll see how we'll use this using MATLAB software. Let me create A equals to 1, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2. We want to access this particular element. It is second row, second column. So A of 2 comma, I'll access 8, right? So in the same way, if I want to access this particular column, so it is like third column and all the elements, right? So all the elements of third column, then all the elements, all the rows of third column. 6, 3, 2, right? 6, 3, 2. My A is this. And all the rows, I mean all the elements of second row. What I'll do? Second row, all the elements. Okay.